Applications of ultrasound. We use ultrasounds in industries and for medical purposes. Ultrasounds are able to travel along well-defined paths, even in the presence of obstacles. The doctors use a high-frequency ultrasound handheld transducer to scan the mother's abdomen. It is generally used to clean parts located in hard-to-reach places, for example, spiral tube, odd-shaped parts, electronic components, etc. Ultrasounds can be used to detect cracks and flaws in metal blocks. Ultrasonic waves are allowed to pass through the metal block, and detectors are used to detect the transmitted waves. If there is even a small defect, the ultrasound gets reflected back, indicating the presence of the flaw or defect. Ultrasound is used for echocardiography. In this, the ultrasonic waves are made to reflect from various parts of the heart and form the image of the heart. Ultrasound is also used to break small stones formed in the kidneys into fine grains. These grains later get flushed out with urine.